Hey, if you are wondering how you can charge Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, let me quickly explain. So first of all, you can find on this device 45 watts wired charging. This is the super fast charging 2.0 from Samsung, but you can also use more powerful adapters. Like in my case, I have 125 from Motorola and it's actually working fine. What I want to say that you don't have to use, you can use more powerful wattage because it's gonna limit the power that comes into your device, so you are not gonna damage your device. But also I'm charging my device by using just a single cable that is connected into my PC. Of course it takes much longer to charge it because my PC doesn't have super fast charging, but this is just another way to charge this device. So we can use almost any power adapter from other brands. You don't have to use an original from Samsung. You can also use not original cables, like I'm using this one from Rainstone company. This is not original cable and it works and it charges my device. So that's everything that I want to mention.